Hey YouTube family, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then hi, I'm Andrea and I'm the mommy here at 3 Men and a Mommy, where we live a little, laugh a little, craft a little, and love a whole lot more. Okay, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very cute, quick, and cheap craft to kick off our family's 12 days of Christmas countdown. So starting today, I will be posting a video for every day from now through Christmas. We're all really excited about it. We're going to have a very unconventional kind of Christmas this year. We're going to go different places, do some different things. So please hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on anything that we do. And let's get into the craft. Okay, so for our supplies, you're going to need a clock. I got this one from Target and it cost $3, as well as these gift tags, come 3 in a package from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to be cutting out one, scissors, and Velcro to attach our Santa Claus. Okay, so when I tell you this craft is super quick and super easy, I mean it. It is so quick and so easy. The first thing you're going to do is just fill in all the numbers of your clock. And I wish I knew how to make like fancy numbers, but I don't. So if you're like me, it's a-okay. It still comes out very cute. Okay, so after you've written in your numbers, now we're going to remove your arrows from the center of your clock and just use your scissors to poke the peg out from the back. Now, it skipped a couple steps. The footage got deleted, so we're just going to jump right into what it looked like after I removed the arrows. I took the Velcro and attached one side to the arrows, the other side to the back of our Santa Claus stickers that I had showed you guys earlier, and bam, center of the clock done. Now I'm showing you guys some wall decals that I had, because honestly you could be done right now and bam, craft is over. But it looked a little plain for me, so I just wanted to add something else, which is why I'm going to be using these window decals. And I'm going to show you guys how it doesn't stick to the chalkboard, so you're going to have to use a little bit of glue. Okay, so this is the completed base of your clock, and you can leave it here or you can add other things to it. This is a great craft to do with your kids, and they'll get so excited every day being able to tick the clock one more dot over to be one day closer to Christmas. And we sat this in our Christmas display next to Rudolph, who is super cute. And I am just going to start us off because this is our first day of our 12 days of Christmas. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!